In this video, we found the best distance running shoes that balance weight with cushioning and support. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Asics Men's GT 2009. The Asics GT 2009 is a very significant improvement on earlier models and has become a favorite for runners needing stability. In the past, this shoe was criticized as too stiff and large, and built upon its durability. For men's, they weigh 10.4 ounces, and for women's, they weigh 8.5 ounces. These shoes are lightweight and fit snugly. They are good options for athletes with mid to low arches who need added support. With foam technology called Foam Flight, these shoes come equipped with a single layer of high-density foam as opposed to their traditional two-layer foam pieces. Number 2. Brooks Men's Stroke Running Shoe. Athletes who need a touch of support, but still want a lightweight and fast shoe, may have found the perfect fit with the Brooks Ravenna 11. As a stability shoe, the Ravenna 11 comes equipped with a new guide rail holistic support system, unique to Brooks. Built on the sides of the shoes, these guide rails are adaptive to each runner and will provide just enough support. Comes with a new upper mesh. Brooks deliberately focused on reducing hot spots, improving the overall fit. Number 3. Brooks Men's Launch 8 Neutral Running Shoe. For distance track athletes, the Brooks Launch 8 is a versatile trainer for a variety of events. These lightweight shoes weigh in at 8.9 ounces for men, and 8 ounces for women, perfect for practice or meets for runners new to the team. Comes with a seamless mesh upper. These shoes provide breathability on hot days, while allowing for a snug and comfortable fit. Without feeling too tight, the mesh provides a sock-like feel and can wrap well to your feet. Number 4. Saucony Men's Kinvara 12 Running Shoe. The combination of minimal and lightweight design is what gives the Saucony Kinvara 12s the mantle of the best lightweight cushion trainer. Weighing in at 7.5 ounces for men's, and 6.5 ounces for women's, these shoes are fast and nimble. Good for practice and meets. The shoes are constructed with ProRun midsole material. The ProRun midsole material provides you with plenty of cushions and a good bounce on each step. With a seamless mesh upper, plenty of breathing room for your feet is provided. Great for warm spring practices. Number 5. New Balance Men's Fresh Foam Zantsolas V1 Running Shoe. Constructed with a total weight of 5.3 ounces for men's, and 4.4 ounces for women's, the Zantsolas are some of the lightest training shoes currently available. The lightweight makes it a perfect fit for sprinters and mid-distance runners looking for a trainer for practice. Meant to fit like a bootie, the Fresh Foam Zantsolas are incredibly comfortable. The Fresh Foam midsole material is made in a single piece, rather than 2 or more pieces stacked on top of one another. The improved midsole gives further responsiveness.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.